Tired of cluttered note-taking apps that don't fit your brain? Tiddlywiki claims to be your customizable second brain. But is it powerful or just painfully complex? Let's find out if this old-school, ultra-flexible tool is actually worth your time. Tiddlywiki is not your average notes app. It's a single HTML file you can run in your browser or offline. No accounts, no cloud, just total control. The best part, it's endlessly customizable. You can create dynamic links, search across everything instantly, and even turn it into a full personal wiki or journal. But here's the catch. There's a steep learning curve. The interface feels dated, and you'll need to spend time learning how to tweak things, especially if you're not into code or plugins. Still, for power users, writers, researchers, and tinkerers, it offers unmatched freedom. It's like Notion and Obsidian had a nerdy cousin who doesn't care about trends, just results. If you want a full control over your notes and don't mind a bit of setup, Tiddlywiki is absolutely worth it. But if you just want something simple and pretty, you might want to look elsewhere. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.